Welcome to this guide on how to create extended clips. To begin, select your tracker and then select the red alerts button. Next, select check on-camera video on the bottom right corner, and once the videos load, select view day. You can also access this view day option from the videos tab. Choose the time of the video you wish to stream and start the video by selecting stream. While the video is streaming, you can take a snapshot of the video by clicking the snapshot icon in the bottom right corner. This will download the snapshot directly to your computer. You can navigate to the previous alert or the next alert using the arrows, or click the alert icons along the bottom timeline to jump to different alert videos. Once the video finishes streaming, you can continue streaming, save it to your computer, replay it, or create an extended clip. To create the extended clip, slide to select the start and end times for your clip. Please note there is a limit of 30 minutes per camera per month for extended clips, beyond which extra charges may apply. The start and end time of your clip will appear at the bottom of this pop-up. Once you've selected the desired times, select Save and name your clip. Then select Save again to finalize and save the extended clip. The clip will begin processing. During and after processing, your extended clip will be available in the Videos tab. Click OK to close this pop-up and then select the orange button to open the Videos rail. Here, you will see your extended clip processing. Once the processing is complete, the inside thumbnail will appear if enabled, and the outside thumbnail will be visible as well. And that is how you create an extended clip.